Hey, Alexis Love Beauties and Flawless Man. So let's get into the grocery haul. Today I went to Walmart and listen, okay, let me tell y'all. I can explain. So I had some black beans and sardines. Y'all know I love the black beans and chips, but now I added the sardines, and that's just something that's really delicious. So I'll take like some black beans, give me some chips, and then I'll just eat it like that. Sometime I'll like mash up the black beans. But now that I learned about those sardines, that they have that 1700 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acid, which is very powerful. The omega-3 fatty acid plays a part in a lot of our function. We'll come back with some more content about that in deep description, but I was smashing that earlier, so you might see this in the background. So excuse that. That's the first time y'all caught me slipping because I don't even get down like that. But I just came back from Walmart, and so I had got some spring water. Now, salmon has been on my mind a lot lately, and I don't really like a lot of like salmon from a lot of places because one time I bought salmon from Walmart and it said that it had like this chemical in there to actually make it preserve it, and it said it like it was like we added this, it's fake, and they just basically blatantly said it. I wish I could figure, I mean, it's on one of those videos that we already have made about a food haul. Be sure to check out those videos in the lifestyle section, because I'm not sure what that ingredient was, but it literally said on the front that this ingredient is fake and we just used it to make this look cute. Right. So now I'd be scared to get salmon. But this also says that it's color added through the feed. So this looked a little bit more organic than that other pack. And I know just if you get stuff from like a butcher shop, then it's always going to be fresh. I can understand a preservative every now and again, but I don't really play about my food having preservatives like that. But I did want to try this salmon from Walmart. It does have the skin on there, which is really nice. Do your extended research. I'm going to provide you with some information. So I encourage you to go and read in Leviticus, Numbers, and do your extended research about the food, because that's what I'm currently doing. Just looking up, the foods that the Lord said that is good. And fish with scales and fins is good. So now I want my stuff to have, like, I always make sure it's fresh anyway, but I usually don't get my salmon and stuff with like the skin on it. The sardines got the skin on it. I'll be like, ugh, but this is the most nutritious thing. We'll come back on a later day as well about that, giving us the more benefits of why this is important. So I wanted to try this salmon and see if it was going to be good or not. It didn't have too much, nothing to fake. Basically, I just fed it something that kept it fresh. Then I had got some papaya. We had learned about papaya as well. It's really rare to find papaya, especially in Walmart. I got one of these for $3 and one of these for $4. The seeds in papaya are known to, cure cancer and different things like that. Just overall, this is a fruit that's good for overall health in general. Cancers, tumors, skin, everything. So there is fruit out here that's literally good for everything. Sometimes I don't like when people say, oh, this is good for everything. They don't explain it. But this right here is really good for everything. And we can also come back. We'll have a long relationship on this channel. So we're definitely going to break down some of these foods even more when we do our grocery haul. We just go over some of the things slightly quick. Also, pomegranate is really rare to find in Walmart. I got a pomegranate. I wanted to try this seasoning. It was like $3. It looked good. I got some parsley flakes. They didn't have any fresh herbs in there. So I was like, okay. Pretty much all of the olive oil was sold out. So I did get this olive oil extra virgin. It's organic from Italian. And then I had got this for a small side salad. I got the pizza though. Lately I've been liking to make my own pizzas and bread. So I got this for breadsticks. This is a really good brand as well from Walmart, and it only costs $2. I got a bell pepper. They had these mushrooms on sale, and them Brussels sprouts was hitting last time. Remember we had them fried Brussels sprouts? I had to get 2 bags of them. I got some zucchini, a cucumber, the avocado, gotta be from Mexico's. Then I had got a pound of the Roman tomatoes. Those were 90 cents a pound. So I just did like a really small grocery haul today. And then Prune juice, you gotta have the prune juice. Listen, I'm gonna need something sweet to call me honey. So I got this prune juice, right? Love the prune juice. We know why the prune juice is so important, because it gives us all of that active fiber. It gives us all of these active ingredients and all of these things in the prune juice is different vitamins that we need in general that plays a part in our overall function. Prunes are another thing that's good for everything. Be sure to check out that video explaining about the difference between minerals and vitamins, and then you'll understand some of the things right here. Then you'll understand the percentage, and then you'll know why I press this so much. But it is really good to detox the gastrointestinal and the colon, and that's exactly what we need. And on a personal level, for me, I need it as well, because I already had a colonoscopy. So be sure to check out that video as well about how to cure hemorrhoids, and we get into that a little bit more, because hemorrhoids is not one of them things that could, well, the devil is a liar. It's just something that requires fiber. So it's just a heavy deficiency in fiber. So, you know, that's kind of where the hemorrhoid things come from and so forth. But be sure to check out that video. I did want to try a different kind of prune juice. Y'all know sometimes the off-brand be hitting hard too. So I wanted to try this. I usually get like my off-brand from the dollar store, but I seen this in Walmart and I wanted to try this. So if this is a really good brand, I'm gonna start buying this as well. So that is all for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't worry, I'm about to get this kitchen together, honey. And stay tuned in the short story, because I'm about to cook dinner. I'm gonna cook the salmon. I'll have some breast sticks on the side with the small size salad with seasoned olive oil as the dressing. Then I'll also have, well, I had an onion somewhere. Nope, I didn't get the onion. And then I'm gonna cook that salmon with some mushrooms. We'll have some grilled Brussels sprouts or some fried Brussels sprouts in the side of zucchini. It's about to go down, honey. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Head over to the playlist section where there is so much information already provided about health. And again, Alexis loves you. We will be getting more into the foods, and as always, do your extended research. Mwah.